Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
And then go ahead and turn off the car for me.
Why are you pulling me over?
So I'm pulling you over because you guys had an incident at the Oyo place or something like that. It's like a coffee shop. So your husband called already, okay?
Okay.
So now we're investigating, so you're officially detained, okay?
Detained for what?
That means you cannot leave while the investigation is going on.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. I'm talking to my husband. You want to talk to him?
Where were you at before this?
I went to a coffee shop.
Okay, correct. So you're being detained means you're not free to go.
Why?
Okay, because there's an investigation going on.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so when the other officers come over here, we'll figure that out, okay?
Detained for what?
Did you not just hear what I said?
I gotta go to my mom's house. I
You're
don't know
not
what
free to go. There's an investigation going on. You just said you were at a cop. Hey, she's trying to flee from me. She's going towards
She's dead.
Fire West Boulevard and West Road. She's literally just like.
Get away from here.
Go to the kids.
Back up.
Go to the kids.
Back up.
You have kids.
Back up.
Go to the kids.
You're back up.
What happened?
If you don't listen and back up right now, you're both gonna go to jail. Back up.
Stop. Stay against the car.
Lima 52 is 1097. Come over here. Come over here.
Stephanie, ponte,
Come over here.
please.
Okay.
Stephanie.
Okay. Calm down. Calm down.
Mami, mis llaves. Mis llaves.
You gonna go around?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going on the ground. You're hurting me.
Then stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting me.
Who's got the kids?
Stop resisting.
I'm not. Mami, me duele mi brazo, mamá.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little
Okay. Let me come up here and I'll talk to you. Okay? You know what's going on.
Stephanie. Mami, me duele mi brazo.
Okay. Where are the kids at?
Luis and Stephanie.
Okay. The kids are in the house?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Give me your hand. Give me your.
I got it on.
Mommy. Mrs. Dowdy, Mr. Dowdy. Help me.
I got you.
Let's include.
You ran from the cops. What are they gonna? They can't help you.
that car before.
Mommy and Daddy.
So, you know, the kid. Let me see the kids. Where are the kids at?
And the kid is here.
Are you kids okay? Yeah. Everyone's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Why don't you come out here so we don't talk in front of the kids, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
There was an incident with her and her husband. Are they having marital problems?
Yes, the board.
Shut the door. They're getting a
Shut the
divorce.
door.
Okay. So the husband earlier today was over off a coffee shop in McGuire.
Okay.
Okay. She had the kids in the car with her.
Okay.
Then what she did is she started ramming his car with her car, with the kids in the car.
Oh, she.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then when we found her, she fled from us with the kids in the car. So she's going to be arrested for aggravated battery, okay, because she rammed the husband's car with her car. And she's going to be charged with child neglect because she did this with the kids in the car.
Yes,
Okay?
I understand.
So she's emotional. She wasn't thinking, but we can't let that go. Okay?
Because she's in.
Okay?
Can I talk?
Let it calm down, but yes.
Why is this going on right
We'll explain that to you in a second, okay?
Don't I have the right to know? Do I
You have a right to know, and we're gonna tell you, but right now we're just.
a minute, okay?
We're just.
twisted my arm, that officer right there.
Okay.
My arm is in a really, really
If
bad
you had
pain.
cooperated and stopped
I
trying to
did cooperate.
get up off. No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. I've been cooperating all
If you just stayed against the rock like I asked you to do, and give me your hands like I asked you to do,
I
none
just
of that
got
would have happened.
manhandled and nobody's helping me. Everybody's like,
That was on you.
I'm not. I'll get up. I can get up on my own. I don't need your help.
You're not getting up on your own.
I promise I can get up on my own.
I gotta help you.
Please?
Come on.
My arm
I'm not
hurts.
pulling on this
No,
arm.
both of my arms hurt because, like I said, they just twisted my arm. Okay,
One way or another,
they're
you
in
have to stand
pain.
up. Do your best to stand up. We're going to guide you, okay?
I can get up. I can get up. Let me get on my knees
Come on,
first.
okay. Go ahead.
Let me get on my knees and I'll get up.
No, that's the car. Yep.
Eric, spread your legs. Against the car.
The car's hot.
Do you have anything that could poke me? Anything sharp on you?
No, ma'am.
Hey, the pocket's just going to
Yep. Lena, I have to check you. Okay?
Check me where? I don't have wires in my bra.
Can you lean against the car?
It's hot.
Okay, I understand
you want me
that,
to burn
but
my
I'm not
belly?
gonna allow you to also face me while I'm trying to search you.
What? You have a problem with me looking at you?
Can you face that way?
It is hot. On my belly it is. You want to try your belly?
You wouldn't be here if you would have just pulled over and stopped when and you didn't have flee from me when I stopped. Okay. All right, she's good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cops. Damn. I used to think you would think I'm a criminal. Real criminals out there with the white Chevy Silverado. That's who you should be looking for.
Think about calling 911 now?
I don't need to call 911 for what?
Well, you said he's a criminal, so.
No, I'm saying it takes seven cops to do what? I don't even know why you guys are arresting me. Shouldn't I know? Don't I have the right to know?
No,
very
You're being detained while we're
Then why am I handcuffed?
We're going to explain all that to you.
Okay,
You're still being detained.
I know. Proven
You've already
guilty. You're
resisted.
innocent till
Okay.
proven guilty.
Marie, you was called a Miranda warning?
I already know what that is.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still going to read it to
Actually,
you
you know,
just to
yeah.
make sure you understand your rights.
Okay.
Okay?
I had a friend named Miranda once. All right, she's still
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. So do you want to speak with us? Answer our questions?
I don't know. Am I arrested right now or am I just
Like, right now, you're detained.
Okay, so when will I know if I'm free to go?
I'm waiting on the actual investigating officer, Officer Kelly, to get here. He's the one currently conducting the investigation. We're assisting him with this investigation. Do you want to speak with us, or do you request an attorney? That's what I need to know for it. We ask questions.
I thought my Miranda's right said I have the right to not say anything, so I'll just keep silent.
Okay, that's perfect. All right, come down this way, man. Come right down this way. I'm just gonna stand you by the front of my truck.
For what?
I'm moving you down this way. Okay?
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay, I'm sorry if you feel uncomfortable. That's not my intent. Officer Cruz is also with me. Our body cameras are on.
Yeah,
Come down this way, okay? Just stand right by the front of my truck, okay?
Arrive alive. Wow.
It's a DUI reference. All right, man. So just so you're aware of what's going on. There's currently 2 investigations currently occurring, okay? Officer Kelly is conducting one investigation regarding an incident between you and your husband, ex-husband. I don't know what you guys got going on over there with your children being present in that incident, okay? Officer Quinteros is investigating another incident, which is following up off of his investigation where she had probable cause to conduct investigatory stop on you and was trying to figure out what was going on. She confirmed it was you. At that point, she advised you were detained. Okay.
No, she didn't say that.
All this is on her body camera, so that's something you can fight later on if you choose to. But Officer Quinteros has fleeing and elude, a law enforcement officer, fleeing and elude, law enforcement officer, and you were resisting without violence. Well, was she violent or without? Without. Okay, so resisting without violence. Okay. Those are currently 2 charges that you are going to be getting charged with today, okay? All right, so just go ahead and walk back this way to this car.
Wait a minute. So I'm
Yes,
being,
ma'am.
I just, to clarify,
Yes.
I haven't had breakfast yet because my husband didn't deposit money for me.
Okay.
I'm being charged exactly for resisting.
Resisting without violence and fleeing and elude. Okay.
Doesn't that makes no sense? So if I resisting without violence, what was I
So
resisting?
fleeing and elude was when you fled your vehicle from Officer Quinteros over here at, was it Red Spruce Way?
Yeah,
street
I
area?
told her I was on my way to
Okay.
do. I
So-
have things pending that I gotta.
Well, that's not how that works. Once we activate our lights and sirens and we say, hey, you're detained, you're not allowed to leave. You can't just
She didn't
decide.
say detained.
Okay, that's
and I
fine.
asked her why was
That's
it.
saying
our lights and sirens.
So all this stuff is going on behind you. You can't just leave because you have something to do.
So
Okay.
when I call the cops and I say something's going on with my child to talk about my husband, nobody does anything. But when my husband calls,
Did it happen today?
it doesn't matter because you guys
Well,
are
I'm not
so-
aware of any situation other than what happened today.
If it didn't happen today or right now, we're not worried about it. We're worried about what happened today.
So what happened today with my husband?
Like I said, so that Officer Kelly's conducting that investigation.
That's what
Further's
that's
going to
why
follow.
you literally that's literally why I turned my lights on, got out the car, told you, hey, there's things, you asked me why you're being stopped, and I told you we're investigating something with your husband. Could be a domestic situation. And you were like, I'm detained for what? That's fine though.
So at the moment, we're answering the questions that you directly asked us.
And those body cameras are always on from the moment I see, or do they cut off every once in a while?
Right.
I'm just curious.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to make sure something's clear. Okay. So I read your Miranda rights. You advised you want to remain silent. Okay. You're asking those questions, and we're responding directly to your questions, and we're not asking any questions outside of that realm, okay? So, because you want to remain silent, we're going to discontinue this course until you're able to get an attorney present. But that doesn't... Okay.
Can I call my attorney?
Not right now.
Why not?
Because we're not questioning you.
But you're detaining me, though, for something that I don't think is right.
We're placing you under arrest.
For what?
I just advised you of that.
So where am I going to be at?
You're going to jail right now. And actually, we're going now.
Wait.
Follow Officer Contreras. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Come on.
Why am I being detained?
Okay.
No.
Espérate.
Hold on.
I want you to understand that you're already being arrested. Do not make it worse on you. Do not make it worse on yourself. That way. My purse that way.
Why are you yelling? I've seen you before.
She wants to remain silent. Don't even ask her anything in the car.
Perfect.
Yeah. If she wants to speak, just let her speak. Let her ramble. Watch your head.
I don't want to go.
Come on.
Why do I have to go?
You got to go. You don't get in there willingly. We're
go
going to pull you.
where?
There's going to be another charge.
You already committed a crime.
Come on.
Do I have, can I talk to my lawyer?
Once you get down to the jail, you'll be able to make phone calls.
I don't know her number. I need to write it down.
Do you have a cell phone that you want to go with you?
I don't have. Can I write the number? Because it's happened to me before.
You have a cell phone?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay, then no.
Can I write the number down? Because don't I get...
Where do you know the number?
Huh?
Where do you know the number?
There's papers that I have in my car where I have my lawyer's
I can grab the papers if you'd like.
I can ask my mom. I don't trust trust police officers.
Go ahead and get in the car then. Good foot. Watch your head. Come on.
I don't understand why you guys are arresting me. I don't...
This is your last chance to get in the car willingly before we force you into the car. Okay. This is our third attempt at telling you to get in the car. And it's going to be another resisting charge. Okay?
Why am I...
Okay, go ahead and unlock the door.
Oh, great.
Come on. No, get in. Step in. Step in.
Okay.
Step in.
I'm coming. Thank you. I don't have to do anything.
Appreciate your assistance.
You know, she acts like this, and she seems to get away with everything.
Well, she's not right now. I can tell you that. They just got her.
Yeah,
I think so. So she's going to jail today.
What can I do about picking up my children?
We'll work all that out.
In the end, Stephanie was charged with 4 counts of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement with lights and sirens active, resisting an officer without violence, and cruelty towards a child. Minimal court records are available, so it's unclear why, but all charges were later dropped.
What? After the husband just said she gets away with everything, all charges were dropped. What? My God, all that. She either just needs to like clean the wax out of her ear so she can actually hear everything that she said didn't happen or wasn't said that was, or she's just stubborn. I mean, and it could be both. Maybe she needs to have her ears cleaned and she's just stubborn because good Lord. Also, who rams somebody else's car because they're mad with their children in the back seat? And then the charges were dropped. What? Children are involved that should not be dropped. There should be something like child endangerment should not be dropped. Sorry. That's on anybody, that case. I don't like that. At all. You hit your husband's car with kids in the back, and then you ran off from the cops. Sped off. Oh, I don't like her. Okay, leave your comments. Let's talk about it.